What's the meaning of centurion? Centurion. Centurion.
Centurion. Centurion.
A centurion was an officer in the ancient Roman army who commanded a century, which typically consisted of 80 soldiers. They were responsible for maintaining discipline and ensuring that their soldiers were properly trained and equipped for battle. Centurions were highly respected and often served as intermediaries between soldiers and their superiors. They had to demonstrate courage, leadership, and military expertise to earn their position. Today, the term centurion can also refer to a leader or commander in any context, not just in the military.